buti pa sila, nabibless. Do you feel like parang hindi ka nabibless ni Lord? And you look at your other friends, parang dami nilang blessings. Alam mo, blessed ka din naman. But God is blessing you in a different way. The moment you start to look at your neighbor and see that they have more things than you, better careers than you, seemingly happier than you, that's when we lose sight of our own blessings. Kaya gusto kong sabihin mo ngayon, I am blessed. Because that's God's nature. Our Father gives us our daily bread. I'm a father of 4 children, and it is in my nature to bless them, to provide for them, to love them. Eh, hindi nga ako perfect na father, how much more yung Ama natin sa langit. You don't have to look at other people's lives, kasi buhay nila yon. Kung tingnan mo yung buhay mo, try to develop a gratefulness habit. May narinig ako that gratefulness cannot coexist with fear. Totoo naman, pag ikay takot, yung takot nagsisimula din sa inggit yan. Yung takot na magkukulang ka in comparison to others. Pero if you start with gratefulness, your blessings will magnify. Mas nakikita mo ang binibigay sa'yo ng Diyos. At pag nakita mo mga yan, then you will start to multiply them. So this time, review your blessings from God. Be a good steward of these blessings, and surely you will become happier and eliminate envy in your life. My prayer for you is that you may learn to acknowledge God's blessings each and every